Hi everyone, this is Ringo. For those of you who has been following my YouTube channel, you guys all know that I'm a big fan of master plan. Today, I'm very delighted to bring you guys into one of the Discovery Center in Vaughan, which showcase the master plan in Vaughan. For your information, Festival, which is a project that was being launched on September last year, was the best-selling project in North America in the year 2020. Let's check it out. Okay, so this two tower is what is being sold in the year 2020, and it's the best-selling project in North America in the year 2020. They have sold 1,000 units in just a few months. So right here, let's take a look at what is going on with the kitchen. They're featuring like quartz splash with an LED light, and also quartz countertop. And what's more important is that they have the built-in cooktop as well as built-in oven. And what I like the most about this project is that they have the built-in refrigerator here, which gives you a luxury feeling. And that's not it. The thing that I like the most is the cabinet, okay? Because sometimes whenever I argue with my wife, I slap it, they have soft clothes, so it won't bother my kid. In terms of color, they have 4 types of color for the selection. I personally like this the best because it's the brightest color. And what happens is it will make the interior look bigger and brighter. But if you're looking for rental, obviously you may want to have something that is darker, like this one over here. So the model that we're looking at right now is basically encompass 150 acres of land that will including all the master plan building here. So basically, Grand Festival is only 3 minutes away from the subway station, and that's what it makes so great. If you go into the southeast corner of this master plan, it will be a water park. And if you take a look at west side of Festival, is a commercial tower building in here. So basically, this area is encompass retail, residential, commercial, as well as a little bit industrial. And more importantly, they have a lot of entertainment in the community. So their vision is to make a new downtown in Vaughan. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this tour, and remember to subscribe my channel. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at 647-638-9210. Thank you.